Hello, in this video session I'm going to show you how to input measurement control from the web quality control screen. Click on the measurement control operation that you want to make. First, you will see the picture of the style, order number, style and the factory. Then you will see the defined size set table and their measurements. If you want to input the test values, press plus button. Then you can input minus or plus measurements for each size that you found. If you want to add one more, press plus again. For all of the measurement chart, you can input the values like this way. Then, if you want, you can print the form or you can send the form as email, and when you complete it, you can choose complete from the task status as well.